We try to do the 60s and the 80s tricks. Okay, let's start from the 60s. You remember the last questions, last lessons, we actually trying to memorize the 11 square to 19 square. 60 and 80 squares, you need the 11 square to 19 square to solve it faster. Okay, let's write down all the numbers first. 61 square, 62 square up to 69 square as usual. Of course, you can memorize the number, or you can just remember the tricks. Alright, so 61 square. So if you notice that it's also 4 numbers, 4 digits. So 61 square is, if you remember, 50s is based on 25. Then 60s is 10 more than 50. It's like the 40s is 10 less than 50, so it's based on 15. 50 is based on 25, so 60 must based on 35. So it's very simple. It's the same concepts. 35 plus 1 is 36. The first number is 36. So they are the last two. Now the problem is last two. What is the last two? Remember we based on 50. Remember the 51, we have 51 square. 51 is 1 more than 50. Let's say 41 square. 41 is 9 less than 50. So it's also always based on 50. So let's say 61. So it's 11 more than 50. So technically for the 40s you use 10 minus 1. For the 60 you take 10 plus 1. So it's 11 square. So 11 square you will get 121. The problem is here you have 3 digits and you just have 2 spaces here. So you put 21 in here, then carry the 1 over, become 3721. So this is 3721. Of course, when you do the exercise, you don't need to cross this. You have to know the number can carry over. The maximum you can go is 19 square. 19 square is 289. So the max you can carry over is 2. So it's either carry over 1 or carry over 2. So let's try the second one. 62 square, 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2 is 37. 12 square is 144, so it's 844, 3844. 63 square, 35 plus 3 is 38. 13 square is 169, so it's 3969. So you can continue the rest by yourself. Okay, you pause for about 10-20 seconds. See if you can finish it, and then try, and then we check the answer later on. Okay, now let's do 64 square. 64 square is 35 plus 4 is 39 and 196. It's actually 4096. 66 is very easy. 35 plus 6 is 41. 256 is 356. 67 is 42. Is 289. Is 4489. 68 is 43. So it's 326. So it's 624. 69 is 44, but it's 361. So it's 761. So hopefully you can get it. So after this, we can continue with the